Hello my stitchlings and welcome back to my channel. I am here with a slip knot tutorial, so grab your yarn and a hook and let's get started. For this tutorial I am using this Lucky Ball yarn that I got on Amazon. It's great for beginners, and a 7mm crochet hook. You can also look at your yarn to see what size it recommends. I have 3 ways that I'm going to show you in this video. The first way that I have to show you does not involve the hook at all. You're going to take your yarn and you're going to fold the end over the top of your working yarn. Take your fingers, insert them into the loop. You're going to fold it over so that you can grab that yarn inside the loop and pull tight. One more time, folding the end of your yarn over, inserting your fingers from behind, grabbing that working yarn and pulling tight. Then you can insert your hook and tighten it up. Another simple way to do this is by wrapping the yarn 2 times around your finger, pinching it between your middle and thumb, pulling that back loop over the first loop, grabbing that first loop and pulling it all the way over the front of your finger and pull tight. Then you can insert your hook. A little more slowly this time, wrapping the yarn around your finger twice, pinching between your middle and thumb, pulling that back loop over the first loop, grabbing that back loop, pulling it over the first and all the way over the tip of your finger, pulling tight. Then you can insert your hook and tighten it to your hook. This last way involves using your hook. You are going to take the working end of your yarn and flipping it over the very end. Insert your hook, wrap over and around, pull through the loop, and tighten. One more time, flipping your working yarn over, stab it, strangle it, scoop out its guts.